Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm showing you how you can get free money on Cash App. Basically we're completing tasks together, but first off I'll go ahead and show you how much money I have. I have 0.68, so remember this balance. By the end of this video this will be much more. Now this works for both Android and iOS devices or any other device that you have. So what you need to do is just open up any browser that you're using and go to this website called ogtasks.com. I'll go ahead and show you the website from up close. As you can see here, ogtask.com, and all you need is your username so that the website can actually send you the money once you're done with completing some of the tasks. There's so many tasks up there. It's really up to you what kind of task do you want to complete. Okay, press on earn here and wait. And once you're on this website, as you can see, it says earn $75 per task. To release the money, you need to have at least 2 tasks completed. Okay, and as you can see, there's so many tasks, but I'll go ahead and do an easy one. Auto Social Calendar is a easy app. As you can see here, install, sign up, add an event. Actually, I know how to bypass this, so that's why I'm doing this app on the video. I know there are other easier apps than this, but I'll go ahead and do this one. So you press on download here, and once it starts downloading, what you have to do here is just go back, or you can wait, it up to you, and let's find another app. Okay, NordVPN, also a small plus easy app, running for 30 seconds, so easy. I don't know how the website is doing this, but it is download. They found, I guess, some kind of method, so I'm just recording a video how you can get the money as well. Okay, and if the app is installed, you can open it up, and here it's really up to you what you wanna select. I'll go ahead, press not to track, and here what you have to do is just create a simple account with your email or with your secondary email. It's really up to you how you want to do it. So you press on email, and here type your email at gmail.com. Okay, and once it sends you the code, you don't have to type it out. You close it, you open the second app, NordVPN, and here all you have to do is just wait for 30 seconds. What you can do is also browse the app a little bit so that the website can detect that okay, he's even interacting with the app, so it's actually really better for you. But it's really up to you how you want to do it. I'll go ahead and press on agree and continue here just to show you how the app looks like. I don't know, something random. Stop ads, max your location. Okay, so let's say you're done with the app. I think those 30 seconds have already passed here in a second. And basically what you do after this is you close the app and you wait for 3-4 seconds. And after that, you basically can go ahead and open the Cash App. And as you can see, 0.68, but once I refresh, boom, $150.68, easy as that. As you can see, it took me literally 2-3 minutes to get $150 to my Cash App. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.